Hi there, this is Hemanth. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to install Git, set up Git, and also how to create GitHub account for free of cost. Let's get into the topic. For this, firstly open any browser and search for Git batch download, and then open the first hyperlink. This is the official page of Git. Here are few options for you based on your operating system. For Windows, click on Windows, and then click on Git for download x64 setup for downloading it, and then it will start downloaded. Here you can notice the latest version for Windows, which is 2.51.0. Till now, this is the latest version, and if your laptop contains macOS, and then click on macOS and download accordingly. Or else if your laptop contains Linux or Unix operating systems, go and download it accordingly to your systems. Once the file is downloaded, click on it, read the terms and conditions and click next and next. Here we have an option to create desktop icon. Click on the checkbox to create icon and then click next until you see the installation page. Wait for it to install the required components. After that, click on finish button. The Git is downloaded successfully and you need to set up the Git. Press the Windows button and search for Git and open it. This is the Git command line page. Here you need to enter the three basic commands for setup Git. Our first command is for your name. Command is git space config space hyphen global space user.name. In double quotes, enter your name. This is to understand the Git who you are. This will help you in collaboration time. And the second one is for your email. Our command is git space config space hyphen global space user.email space. In double quotes, enter your email. This is the primary identifier and must be the same email used for logging into the GitHub account. Our third command is to show whether the settings are saved correctly or not. And the command is git space config space hyphen global space hyphen list. This is a basic setup for Git. Next, you need to create your GitHub account. For that, open any browser and search for GitHub sign up. Open the link, and here I am going to sign up with my Google account. Remember one thing, you need to use the same email which you have used for Git setup, and then choose the username you want and click on create account and then verify it. And this is a landing page of GitHub. Here you can see the number of options available there. Here you have an option to create repository. Simply, a repository means a project. For creating new repository, click on that button and then enter your project name along with your related description to your project and click on create repository. Then your repository got created. Like this, we still have a large number of features to explore in GitHub. We will try to explore all the features in further videos. Until then, please like this video and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching. Bye.